some other really big news. Yeah, we're going to talk about Oracle because they are actually still holding higher here by 31.5%. Oracle yesterday closed at 241.51, and today it's 317 in the pre-market. Just an absolute monster move. You want to see what that looks like? Here you go. One thing here for a trade on Oracle, maybe a gap and go setup on this, just purely looking at the chart. The other thing is I'll probably mark off on the main workspace that I use during trading hours. I'll probably mark off this pre-market range, and same deal here with Oracle. If it breaks out and back tests, that might be a decent long setup. If it breaks down from that range and back tests the range, that might be a decent short setup or put setup, if that's the way that you want to go. We'll mark that out when we get closer to the open here, but in the meantime, let's actually talk about the report itself. It actually missed earnings. Oracle released its first quarter results after the bell yesterday. They reported quarterly earnings of $147 per share, which missed the analyst consensus estimate of $148, barely missed there on EPS. Quarterly revenue came in at $14.92 billion. That missed the street estimate of $15.03 billion and is up from revenue of $13.3 billion in the same period in the prior year. Quote, multi-cloud database revenue from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft grew at the incredible rate of 1,529% in the first quarter. That is 1,529% growth. That came from Oracle Chairman and Chief Technology Officer Larry Ellison. He's getting his flowers this morning. Quote, we expect multi-cloud revenue to grow substantially every quarter for several years as we deliver another 37 data centers to our 3 hyperscaler partners for a total of 71. Oracle Cloud revenue, $7.2 billion. That was up 27% in constant currency. Cloud infrastructure revenue, 3.3, that was up 54%. Cloud application revenue, $3.8 billion, that was up 10%. Fusion Cloud ERP, $1 billion, up 16%. And NetSuite Cloud ERP up 15% on a constant currency basis. Quote, we signed 4 multi-billion-dollar contracts with 3 different customers in the first quarter. That came from Oracle CEO Safra Catz. Quote, this resulted in RPO contract backlog increasing 359% to $455 billion. This is going to be one of the huge reasons here that Oracle is up. I mean, this baby got backlog for sure. 359% to $455 billion. That's insane. It was an astonishing quarter, and demand for Oracle's cloud infrastructure continues to build. Over the next few months, we expect to sign up several additional multi-billion-dollar customers, and RPO is likely to exceed $500 billion. I'll say this about Oracle. I can't reasonably say, yeah, we should chase a stock that's up 31% after its earnings. But aside from that, I actually think if Oracle pulls back, it is probably a buy on a lot of these pullbacks, in particular, if it comes into a support level. CEO Katz teased significant revenue in the quarters ahead. Quote, as a bit of a preview, we expect Oracle Cloud Infrastructure revenue to grow 77% to $18 billion this fiscal year, and then increase to $32 billion, $73 billion, $114 billion, and $144 billion over the subsequent 4 years. This, I think, probably one of the best quotes from the entire report. And this is why Oracle is just absolutely smashing here. A little bit more here on Oracle. Larry Ellison, the founder and chief technology officer of Oracle, expressed optimism regarding the future of AI and his company's competitive positioning within the segment. During the company's first quarter earnings call, Ellison declared, quote, eventually AI will change everything, end quote, while highlighting the company's growth dominance in enterprise AI infrastructure. According to Ellison, AI inference, which refers to using trained models in real-world applications, is poised to be, quote, much, much larger than the AI training market, end quote. He says that with millions of customers using AI models to run their businesses and governments, it's a gigantic multi-trillion-dollar market. Oracle is aggressively positioning itself as a leader in inferencing, touting its newly launched AI database, which enables enterprises to vectorize private data, which is essentially covering raw data into numerical representations, before securely linking it with large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and Llama. Quote, we're the custodian of millions of databases, end quote. That comes from Ellison, adding that the company is better positioned than anybody to take advantage of inferencing. Oracle released its first quarter earnings report, which we already covered. It's actually got a really awesome Benzinga momentum rating. So if you've been using the momentum fields within the Benzinga scanner, you've probably been staring at that Oracle ticker for some time.